halfway through the extended Memorial Day weekend. May 25th, 2025. Ian Hayes here. 2051 coming to you from West Ladysmith 772 is here. 3227 decides to lead it, and there's another tier 4. 31 something. That was on there too. Nothing wrong with that. That decided to show up on the S772 51 of the 20th. It arrived at Ladysmith since 1813 and rolled by me as of about 1820 before rolling by milepost 126 on the CN's parents of Maine at 1835. It did have a string of sand empties to drop off. I believe some of those at the Source Energy Services a warehouse there, and maybe a little string left to the Poskin plant. Now here they are, just making the return just about 10 minutes after sunset. How about that? So that's going to do it for the Power Move return of 77251 of the 20th. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the Memorial Day weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Ian Hayes out.